To activate dark mode on Yahoo Finance 2025, follow these simple steps. First, open the Yahoo Finance website on your preferred web browser. Once the website is loaded, click on the profile icon located at the top right corner of the page. This will open a drop-down menu with various options. From the drop-down menu, select the Settings option. This will take you to the Yahoo Finance settings page where you can customize various features, including the display mode. On the settings page, scroll down to the display section and look for the theme option. In the theme option, you will see two choices, light and dark. To activate dark mode, select the dark theme option. As soon as you select the dark theme, the entire Yahoo Finance website will switch to dark mode, providing a more comfortable viewing experience, especially in low light environments. It is worth noting that the dark mode feature is only available on the Yahoo Finance website and not on the mobile app. If you are using the mobile app, you will need to use the system-wide dark mode feature on your device to achieve a similar effect. In addition to reducing eye strain, dark mode can also help to conserve battery life on devices with OLED screens. By following these simple steps, you can easily activate dark mode on Yahoo Finance 2025 and enjoy a more comfortable and battery-efficient browsing experience.